Good morning. We've just left our hotel for the morning. We are walking through Bellagio now, again, all the way through to the sign hopefully. So show you the walkway.
And these are the shops that we can't afford.
Yeah, well, I can.
Prada, Dior.
Don't you try and go in any of these shops.
Can I? You see that before me?
Your one's outside, it's called Walgreens.
Now we come to slot machine.
That's where Jolly wins all her money.
I hope so.
It's about 9:30 in the morning, by the way, so obviously not too busy. All the drunkards from last night still in bed, maybe, I don't know. There's a few hardened people out spending their money. I think yesterday there was a walk past that £1,000 winner, wasn't it? He had about 13 things lined up on the board. You needed a couple more to get the full lot. That all added up to about 1,000, so that's the best we've seen. I wouldn't say that was only in the first few hours of really being here yesterday. Anyway, catch up in a bit once we walk through the next one. As I say, we're in Bellagio. Gonna walk all the way down to the welcome sign, get a picture, and then walk back, go through pretty much every hotel on the way back, and see what they're like. Use some of our My Rewards tokens, hopefully, if we work out how to bloody do it. Anyway, got to find a way out of here. Oh. Charge it, Charlie.
Oh, I am tired. Coming up those stairs.
Only done about one block. Literally just walked past Cosmopolitan. Come up to... Oh yeah. Probably just a straight walk. It's not, you have to walk up about 3 billion stairs every time. More stairs. Looky over there. Hello. Something's happened, but they're half mast. What's going on? Maybe nothing. Yeah. The man at the top. Oh look, another bridge to go over. Oh yeah, lovely. Here we go again. Walk up them, get more steps in. Now Excalibur over there is where we're supposed to have gone 3 years ago, before it got cancelled, because right at the start of March 2020 was when COVID came in. think we kind of upgraded though. Excalibur to Caesars. Welcome to the jungle, yes. Oh, feet ain't hurting already. Oh dear. Only about half hour into the day. Slowly but surely we will get there. Oh dear. Now at we're just past Excalibur. That's the Luxor Pyramid. Green Mount Russ. Let's cross the road. Hopefully not get splattered by anyone. So we've just got to walk past Mandalay Bay and then, I don't know, probably another mile, probably straight down. Dear me. Be okay if it was a nice straight walk, but we've got to go through a lot of bridges in here. Bridges, hotel or two if you need to. Hey, must be down there somewhere. Well, we have nearly made it. Harley Davidson. There's the back of the sign over there, and you can see a load of crowd on the underneath it, just about. Although I thought we were pretty early, still quite busy. But we'll just go to the side of it and get a picture off the side. Nice breeze today. Anyway. And we've made it. There it is. We won't join the queue. We'll just go to the side. We'll get some side pictures, I think. In and out of here. So we've seen the sign, which you should have seen in this video already. We then walked a bit further along to Maverick Helicopters because we had the buy one get one half price off for the Vegas games. It's just 100,000 points, 105,000 points I think it is. Couldn't get the freebie one, 600,000 points. Just sold out every time. So that cost in total for two of us $213. Which I think is 135 per person, so about 60 quid, $60 saving. We're now coming up to walking all the way back. We're going to go into Mandalay Bay because I think we got a half price drink or free drink, buy one get one free drink. And although it's only about 11 o'clock or half 11, I don't even know what time it is. We've done about 18,000 steps already, so it's time for rest up, see what Mandalay Bay's like, and then well, find our way in first because it looks like it's a bit must be over that way through the tunnel and over there and under and up. We've come off the junction at the main road, so probably not the main entrance, to be honest. We'll get there and then we'll get our free drink. Thank you very much.